Hi lovely people, welcome. In this video, I will share with y'all how to make Degue or Burkina. It's a delicious dessert made of millet, milk, yogurt, and sweetener. I will be using ground millets. Here I have water, Greek yogurt, or you can use plain yogurt, condensed milk, cinnamon ground, vanilla extract, salt, milk, and ginger powder. I will start off by boiling water in my saucepan. Over the saucepan, I will place my steaming rack. While the water is taking its time to boil, I will start working on the ground millets. I just added the ground millet in my big bowl. And here I have a bit of ground millet in my small bowl. I will set it aside, and you want to add it in the big bowl gradually. This is in case the ground millet becomes too damp, wet, and then I have water. I will now go ahead and sprinkle a bit of water over the ground millet. Again, don't add the water at once, as you don't want the ground millet too wet. Using your fingers to combine. So I will then use my fingers to combine. Let's add some flavor to the ground millets. Here I have salt and ground ginger, which just went in the bowl. I will continue to combine this well. Now, in order to form the tiny balls, I will scoop a bit of the ground millet in a bowl and swirl the bowl to form the tiny balls. Once the tiny balls are formed, I will transfer the balls in my sifter to form tinier balls. As you can see, bigger ones were formed, which I don't want, and so I will transfer it back in the big bowl. The remaining of the balls formed, I will transfer it in another bowl. So yes, I will repeat this step till I have created all the tiny balls. It takes a while to form the tiny balls, and so you will need time to create them. After creating the balls, this is the outcome. At this point, the water is hot. I will use my cheesecloth to cover my steaming rack, as we want the steam to cook it. You then want to cover the sifter tightly to allow the steam to soften the millet balls. While the balls are taking its time to steam, I will start to combine all the ingredients for the yogurt. In my bowl, I just poured semi-skimmed milk. You can also use powdered or evaporated milk. Then I went in with my Greek yogurt. For sweetener, I will use condensed milk. You can use sugar, honey, or you can completely omit using any sweetener. Vanilla extract, cinnamon ground. After adding all the ingredients for the yogurt, I will mix till it's well combined. If you don't want your yogurt thick, don't add too much milk, okay? Now, let's check on the millet balls, and at this point, it's cooked. And so I will go ahead and transfer it in my bowl and allow it to cool. It's now cooled, and so I will add in the millet balls gradually and stir till it's well combined. Don't stir it too much or else it will become runny, especially with the use of the ground millets, okay? Your delicious dessert is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes made simple. Thank you and stay blessed.